Oh, hello there. So it has been said by Jeff Atwood. So Jeff Atwood is the guy who maintains the website codinghorror.com. So yeah, so this guy says that everything that can be written in JavaScript will be written in JavaScript, which is called Atwood's law. And as it so happens that these days we are doing client-side coding with JavaScript. We had been always doing that way. We are doing server-side coding with node.js, and we are even using JavaScript in things like Ionic or Cordova to make mobile apps. So we are actually using JavaScript to almost do everything. For example, recently in a school project I used JavaScript for electronics project. So I was doing home automation. We were turning lights on and off using JavaScript. So yeah, JavaScript is going to inherit the world, but JavaScript inherently is a really problematic language, and that's why I believe that when everybody starts coding in JavaScript, one day people are going to get so frustrated of JavaScript that they are just going to probably everybody's going to commit suicide, and JavaScript will lead to the end of the world. And let's see why I say so. So let's start with a really nice thing. I'm opening up a JavaScript terminal. I'm just opening up Node. It gives me a JavaScript console here. So anything I do here is basically JavaScript script. Okay, so let's take var I equal to 1. Okay, so I is 1. Now let's do something. Let's do I equal to 1 plus an empty string. Okay, so I becomes 1, and now let's do I plus 1 is 11, and I minus 1 is, guess what, I plus 1 is 11, I minus 1 is 0. Great JavaScript. Now let's try another thing. Let's say var j equal to 1, and this time inside string, so there's going to be a string called 1. So j is 1. Now let's do this. J plus plus j is 2. Now let's go for the fun part. Let's say var k equal to 1. Okay, now we'll do k plus 1. So k is 11. I mean, unbelievable. Again, let's say a equal to 4281. Okay, or let's put 11, 23, 34. Let's say this. Right, a dot sort. I mean, why on earth? I mean, this is not sorted in any way. This is like string sorted. But okay, well, let's move on to something nice. Same 0.2 equal to 0.2. That's true. Let's say 0.1 plus 0.2 equal to 0.3. Is that true? Oh, that's false. So 0.1 plus 0.2 is not 0.3. Let me tell you why. Because 0.1 plus 0.2 is 0.3000004. I mean, why? Okay, so you know what, NaN stands for not a number. Now NaN stands for not a number. Let's see what type is. So type of not a number is a number. Okay, we're getting there. So NaN equal to NaN is false. NaN equal to NaN is also false. Okay, somebody needs to explain me this, but I don't know. Now we will try a really nice thing, which is so we all know about transitive properties, right? I mean, if a equal to b, say let's a equal to 1, b equal to 1, a equal to b is true, b equal to a should also be true, right? I mean, if a is equal to b, then b is equal to a. But as a 0 equal to this, an empty string, is true, but an empty string equal to 0 is also true. But so 0 equal to but empty string equal to 0 is false. But 0 equal to 0 is true. So I don't know where this is going really. Okay. So false equal to false is false. Okay. So what is false? So false is false. Now false, so false is not undefined. Say if let's say false is null, a false is not null either. So null, okay, null is undefined. That's good. Also a really nice thing, so tab return new line is 0. Okay, so this also, I mean, this is beyond absurd, it's beyond absurd. Also, let me tell you something.